So hello guys, welcome to the tutorial again. So let's today see an example of Pygame code. Okay, so here is the example. First we are importing Pygame and then initializing it, right? And then we are setting the screen, and then a variable is there which is finished equals to false, and then there is while loop inside which we are handling events and updating the screen through pygame.display.flip, right? And at last we are quitting the screen, that is closing the screen. So let's understand it in deep. So you may already know that every software or application on your computer requires a separate screen so that you can perform operations on which. Okay, this is the screen where we perform all operations which are already been programmed by the programmer or designer of the application, right? So here you are that programmer. Okay, so it's very easy to understand that you also need a screen onto which you can add functionality or operations. Okay, so let's understand the example line by line. So import Pygame. So what this does, it will actually loads the Pygame framework and imports all the functions of Pygame. For example, if you know basic Python, then you may have used import random line inside your code once. Okay, so why we use it, we actually import that random module and generate some random characters or integers using that random module, and the same is here. But pygame.init is actually used to initialize that random initialize that required modules which are imported through the import pygame line, right? So pygame.init will initialize all the required modules which are imported through Pygame, right? So let's move forward. Pygame.display.set mode will just create and return a screen object so that you can perform your graphical operations, and the size of the screen is desired, and we can pass a tuple as argument to set the width and height of the display. Okay, so as you know that we need to handle events in a game, so pygame.event.get is used to do so. So this is used to take event which we perform during the running of the game, and this is necessary as a user will needs to use your design game, which can be done by events like pressing arrow keys, right? What does pygame.quit does? This is used to close the game when we click on the close button, which is present in most of the applications you may see. This is present on the rightmost and topmost at the corner. So this is used to close the screen, right? So pygame.display.flip, this will update the contents of the entire display. For example, you add the image inside your game. Okay, so it will not be displayed on your screen of the game until you does not write the pygame.display.flip. Okay, so this will actually update the entire content of the display. Okay, so actually pygame.quit will just take event but will not quit the game screen, and the execution of pygame.quit will quit the screen, right? So we will see it practically in the next video. Till then, bye bye and see you in the next lecture.